Okay, I did a little experiment with Claude Code. Um, can I basically make a website by talking to a website with Claude Code? So what I did to make this easier, it's sort of hard to start a website completely on your own. So what I did is I created a template. You can basically just clone this template and then open up Claude under it. So basically, right here, this is in this directory here. So if we go to Marley, well, I basically run Claude. I just type in Claude from there and run it. And then if you have your connection set up and you have your little token, which can talk to GitHub, you can basically talk to your website. And so this is the website as it looks out of the box. If you just were to clone that repository and do it, I just made a generic thing, Scrooge and Marley. And then you can just say, well, remove this, do this. It has a lot of little features. So, for example, it has a Substack importer. So what you can do here is you can just upload, just say import, export. You can also import. So I can just import. I didn't download them, but if I have a little zip file here of this would be Substack posts. It'll check to see if the posts are already there. I'm just going to say test. You want to add a little text to it. And what it did is it just imported 31 new posts. And it imports them as drafts. So if we go back here and we go to blog, I can then, edit the draft and stuff like that. It also has the ability where, unlike Substack, I can do animations and D3 graphs and that kind of thing. It's also self-documenting. So I created this thing here. So it can create documents of what you want to do. So this is a future thing. So I could say, can you credit dev office space? Type that into Claude. So I could just say, could you do this? And they won't think for a while, discombobulate and read. Yeah, so they can build it. So basically, he's raring to go, right? Yeah, no, let's build it. Let's build it. So it does that for you. It both documents itself. So this is the documentation here of what Marley is, how to use it, the tech stack, etc. But I can also suggest features and generate documents like this for those features. What else does it have? Tools. So I'm still fixing this thing. So I use a lot of little Claude tools. So for example, this copyright code here is Claude tool. Having a little issue exposing it. So I use a lot of these tools here. So this tool, I can say, help. It tells me what it does. And it just helps me write copy and all that kind of stuff. I have a bazillion little tools. But we can also expose them publicly, and that's what it's here. It's having a little issue with the artifact. They'll debug that, and you'll be able to expose your artifacts publicly. But basically, the idea is just to upload, just clone it, upload it, and just start talking to your website. Oh, I'm not Scrooge and Marley at Marley. I'm whatever bakery, and it will change this. Oh, remove the blog and we'll change that, or enhance the blog and change that, or change my about and change that, or I don't want the dev, or I do want the dev. I want the tools. I don't want the tools. Change these links or whatever. So that's it. Have fun with it. It's super simple to use. I'll make some more videos how to use it. Basically, the idea is a living document. Just upload it, start talking to your website, and your website will evolve as you talk to them. Okay? Take care.
Ebenezer Scrooge, listen to your former partner Jacob Marley. It is required of every man that the spirit within him should sing abroad. And if that spirit goes not forth in song in life, it is condemned to do so after death. I wear the chain I forged in life. I made it link, by listening to bad radio music. But you, Ebenezer, you have yet a chance and hope of escaping my fate. You will be haunted by the Musinique Christmas playlist. Listen to it, or be doomed to walk the earth in silence.